gets me every time.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Today I'm going to show you how to rescale your GUIs so they work correctly. And sorry for my voice, actually kind of heard it because I was on kind of like a trip on a place and there was a lot of shouting involved because we had to communicate with their team. But anyways guys, matters. So yeah guys, so I'm going to show you how to scale your GUIs. So you might have a problem in my last video where you wanted to make your own screen GUI, that loading screen GUI, but it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing. Like you go into the phone version or any other size screen and it doesn't scale correctly. Well, I'm here to fix it. I'm going to show you a basic frame here and we're going to make it a weird size here, and you want it to be in the middle of the screen. That's not the case when you put a different dimensions on your screen. So to change that, to fix it, it's going to be pretty simple. I'm going to do that here so you guys know how it's done, because I literally redone the video again and again because my voice, it's making bad quality videos right now, which is not great. What you want to do, double click on position and double click on size. Then you want to go in here, change the offset to 0 and change the other offset to 0. Now this is going to ruin your previous work, but this is the only way to do it properly. You can use a plugin, but I would rather not use it because it basically messes with you if you're trying to scale things with UDMI2 scripts and so on. So it's just to do it the way I do it, and it's a lot easier, I think. I mean, no, sorry what I said. It's not easier at all, but it is better to get used to do it this way because you kind of feel how you scale things correctly. Like, what's the correct size? Okay, we're gonna scale this, and we're gonna see it's scaled perfectly. And if I put it here in the corner, it should be on my other screen corner. Yep. Guys, that is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, guys, and please have a go on.